basics of salsa would move 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6. The opening break would go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now the adios is what I'm going to do is I'm going to move her back and tap and move to the side. So I want my partner to move around me and then do a crossbody. So the adios step would go 1, 2, cross and walk across 5, 6, 7. Now once I move here, I do the crossbody 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So it's there. So the step for the gents would go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, and crossbody 5, 6, 7. So if I'm doing it in a ballroom position, I go 1, 2, release his hand and here. Now from here I'm guiding her 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Doing the crossbody and bringing her back to where I want her to. So we start from here. 1, 2, I cross over, release and 5, 6, 7, crossbody 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. It's very important to bring your partner, lead your partner in for the crossbody. So the general crossbody would move 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The basic crossbody would go 5, 6, 7. So if I'm doing the adios, I'm going 1, 2, I'll guide her across, walk 5, 6, 7, face her, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So I'll do a little quicker step of how it goes. So this is your basic step, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, return 5, 6, 7, go 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, open break, 1, 2, release, 5, 6, 7, go 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 1,